Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Make sure both Spark and its remote are charged above 50% and that DJI Go 4 is installed and logged in. Back up your flight records and settings before proceeding because firmware can reset custom values. Power on the aircraft, connect the remote, then pair your phone to Spark's Wi-Fi so the app recognizes the drone. Once connected, navigate to the aircraft status. The app will immediately check for available firmware updates. You'll see the update notification. Tap to download and let the app fetch the firmware. This can take several minutes depending on your connection. Once downloaded, the app will transfer the package to Spark. Make sure your phone, remote, and aircraft remain powered and connected to avoid corruption. The update runs in stages. Follow the progress prompts and grant any permissions asked. If the app asks to reboot devices or to reconnect, do so promptly to allow the installer to finish cleanly. After the installer finishes, the app will report success. Confirm the firmware version shown in aircraft settings matches the update you applied. Power cycle the drone and remote, then perform quick ground checks. Spin motors, test gimbal movement, verify GPS lock and home point. Recalibrate IMU or compass if prompted, and run a short tethered hover to validate stability. If the update fails or the drone behaves oddly, retry the process on a stable Wi-Fi network or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.